Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching the weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. In this edition, we are going to discuss recent developments of some major currency pairs. Besides, technical analyst Peter Yakimowicz will help us forecast further dynamics of the popular trading instruments. The new year of 2018 started with a pessimistic investor sentiment towards the US dollar, the greenback weekend across the market. Peter, good afternoon. What do you think about it? Where will the euro-dollar pair go next? And can it rise above the September highs to the zone above 1.21?
Hello there, traders. I'm expecting an upward movement on the euro versus US dollar. Basically, what I found is that there is a very strong demand and the buyers are in control in this currency pair, which is a sign that selling on the short-term perspective looks very risky in my opinion. The stochastic is according to a 4-hour time frame on the oversold zone, and the key resistance of the euro versus US dollar is set at the price of 1.2090. So pay attention. This level is very critical for also long-term investors. So if you see the clean breakout of 1.2090, then watch for buying opportunities, because this will confirm further upward continuation of this currency pair. Now, I have placed the Fibonacci expansion levels according to a 4-hour time frame and according to the previous swings, and I found basically that upward targets at the price of 1.260. This was the first upward target. The second upward target is at the price of 1.2265, and the third upward target is at the price of 1.2420. And this is basically the third expansion level and the extended objective point on this currency pair. So according to the short-term perspective, a strong upward trend on this currency pair, successful rejection from Fibonacci retracement, key level 1.2090, watch for breakout, and then first objective target 1.260.
Will the pound-dollar pair continue maintaining its upward trend?
On the British pound versus US dollar, I see that there is a good space for further upward movement. What I found basically there is that there is a very strong bullish trend, which is a very good sign that basically demand is in control and any selling looks risky. Stochastic is also looks like oversold according to a 4-hour time frame. There is a successful rejection from Fibonacci retracement, 38.2%. My advice basically for buying opportunities, and first target at 1.3655, and the second take profit level set at the price of 1.3755. Then the final third potential objective target is at the price of 1.3920, which is the last Fibonacci expansion, and this is the 161.8%. So bullish trend, successful rejection from Fibonacci retracement. Watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair.
Is the further movement of the dollar-yen pair clear in your opinion?
I found basically on the USD versus Japanese yen that price is trading in the sideways range between the 113.65, which acting like resistance, and 112.05. So there is a 160 pips distance between this resistance and support, and my advice to watch for a breakout of support or resistance to confirm further direction. Now, if the price breaks below the 112.05, this will confirm potential bearish opportunity, and the target will be set at the price of 110.85. Anyway, if you see that the price breaks the 113.65, then watch for a potential target 115.20. So again, sideways trending range, 160 pips. A distance between the support and resistance, so watch for breakout to confirm further direction.
Peter, will the commodity currencies be able to maintain strength against the US dollar? The Australian dollar rose quite high despite the lack of investment attractiveness.
On the Australian dollar, US dollar, basically, I found according to the weekly time frame the very strong formation, very strong chart pattern, and this is a ascending triangle, and this was building for years basically. And most recently, the price we got previously a breakout in the past of this, which confirmed basically that the buyers are in control. And right now we can see that price again going upward and above this major resistance from this triangle. So my advice is absolutely to watch for buying opportunities especially when I saw that there is a 4 weeks very good closings and higher highs and higher lows according to weekly time frame. So watch for buying opportunities, and key short-term target on the Australian dollar US dollar is at the price of 0.8065.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable trading recommendations, and see you next Friday. You've watched the weekly link up presented by InstaForex expert from Serbia, Petar Jakimovic, and me, Anna Kasatkina. Trade at a profit with InstaForex and don't miss our next edition.